Hello and welcome to day number 47. This is day number 47 of the 5 Luo Words a day. Please subscribe to the channel. Now, in today's video, we shall talk about the following words. We shall talk about amora wang, amol, amosa, amoso, amoyo. So what are the meanings of these words? Let us roll in as you are subscribing to the channel. So the first word is amora wang. Amora wang. So amora wang is species of a caterpillar mainly found on cowpeas. It has a yellow and black stripes. Bo mani kod amora wang ok inyal tedo. So in a sentence you can say bo mani kod amora wang ok inyal tedo. So one cannot cook cowpeas leaves infested with caterpillars. Bo mani kod amora wang ok inyal tedo. Second word is amol. Amol. Amol ebwo otanda. Amol ebwo otanda. So mol is the act of crawling. Amol, I am crawling. Amol ebwo otanda. So I'm crawling under the bed. So like this soji is crawling under the whatever this is. Number 3 is amosa. Amosa. Amosa is mainly used on livestock, cows. You entrust a cow to a friend to keep it, to rear it for you, so that you can take it back when it has already born some children, some calves. Some calf. So, dhiang ma rakidoni en mar amosa. Ne omose kuom anyango. Dhiang ma rakidoni en mar amosa. Ne omose kuom anyango. So amosa or moso, the act of moso is giving your friend to rear and trusting that they will make a good breed out of it. So I think this was done so that the issue of inbreeding could not come up. The fourth word of the day is amoso. 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 Amoso are maize or traps used for trapping quail, also known as amol. If you looked at the last video, we talked about amol. Amol are traps used for catching quail. In a sentence, you can say amoso gi gin mag mako aluru. Amoso gi gin mag mako aluru. So the maize is for trapping quail. The next word is, the last word for today is amoyo. Amoyo. And amoyo is also a name. I'm sure that it's a name. I don't know why it's called, people are called amoyo. I'll look for that. But amoyo is a plant chewed for its medicinal value for reducing inflammation. So if you had a swelling, you would chew amoyo to reduce the swelling. So it has some medicinal value. In a sentence, you can say, Mama ne omiya amoyo, sani koro bet awinjo maber. Mama ne omiya amoyo, sani koro bet awinjo maber. That maber has been auto-changed to amber, but it's maber, M-A-B-E-R. Mama ne omiya amoyo, sani koro bet awinjo maber. Great. Now, these are the 5 Luo words for today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing and liking the video, sharing it with your friends, and please bring in more friends so that we can make this a big game. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Peace.